So guys, welcome to this executive program. And I'm Subhash Karthik, your coach. And today we are going to talk about a wonderful topic. And this topic is equally important in our personal life and professional life. And the topic is negotiation skills. Negotiation skill. Negotiation skill. Negotiation. Negotiate. Okay. So I really want to know from you, what do you understand by negotiation? Anybody, you can.
Sir,
Sir,
bargaining.
it's bargaining.
बोल तो आप करना.
So negotiation is the situation when you are okay, I am okay, situation will arise. So
Okay,
that's
you
the-
are okay and I am okay.
So
Okay.
to win, I win.
Yeah, any more
Transferable,
ideas?
sir.
Yeah, Jagruti?
Transferable thoughts.
Yeah, of course, there is a transferation of, transfer of thoughts, of course. Of course, there is a transfer, but, but there is a difference between negotiation and argument. Okay. So, yes, some more input I want on negotiation. See, yeah,
I feel
Shweta Gupta.
I feel negotiation and bargaining again are two different things. When you bargain, you kind of reduce the price of a commodity or whatever it is. However, when you negotiate, you are like trying to coming to terms with the other person on some level, wherein it is profitable for both of you. I mean, both the parties.
Absolutely. So basically, this is there is a bargaining happening here, not from only one end, but it is happening from both the ends.
It's the mutual benefits of both the parties.
Absolutely. This, we consider. So guys, those who have joined later, our today's topic is negotiation skills. Okay. Uh, normally, whenever, normally in professional life, we talk to our clients, we talk to our boss, there are so many times we negotiate, and there's no, nowhere it is written that if somebody is very good in his or her language skill, suppose I'm good in Bengali, I'm good in Hindi, I'm good in English, that doesn't mean that I can negotiate well. So negotiation needs a lot of, qualities that we should have when we negotiate. And today we will see that, and we will do the experiment also, that how to negotiate. Okay, let's see some primary information regarding negotiation skills. Negotiation is a discussion among the individuals to reach an alternative to satisfy all. So negotiation is a discussion, not an argument. And when any negotiation happens, both the party, they feel that, the other party will also be satisfied and I'll also be satisfied. They try to come to a point where both can win-win. That's called negotiation. Okay, one more small definition I would like to show you here. I think that will give you a wonderful idea. Discussion here means simply the exchange of one's ideas, thoughts, opinions with each other, and not arguing. So there's no argument happening here. Many times in your life, you have to negotiate. Suppose negotiate with your clients, and also while you negotiate, how should you behave? How should you talk? It should not be an argument. That's you have to ensure. One needs to have excellent communication skills and impressive personality for a healthy and an effective negotiation. This is a very important part. If one is not good in his or her communication, negotiation will not be happening, and or I will lose it. I will lose it. So your communication, how you talk, that is very much important. So your negotiation does matter. You do it in Hindi, in Marathi, in any language. But when you talk, when you negotiate, basically you deal with some product. Suppose negotiate means I have something to give you. Please listen. I am negotiating, okay? So I want to give you something and I will get something from you. So we are basically exchanging something. It could be a product. Suppose I'm selling something and you are giving money. I'm selling orange. I want to sell 50 rupees. You tell that no, sir, 50 rupees is very high. I can give you only 40 rupees. So we are basically negotiating. So you also want that I should make it 40 rupees and I also want that I should sell it. So I want to give something, you also want to give something. Then there is a negotiation happens. Okay. But many times, guys, it happens that we negotiate and we don't come to the positive conclusion. Okay, guys, those who have joined, we are talking about negotiation. We have just started. So I just want to tell you, negotiation, this is an outstanding quality. This is not a general quality. Not everyone can negotiate. Everyone can talk, but negotiation is an outstanding quality. When two people, they deal with some product or some thoughts, then we negotiate. Okay. So this is not that easy. It has been seen many times after negotiation. I win, you lose. It has been also seen, you win, I lose. Sometimes it has been seen, we both win. We both win. So it has many yields. It has many results. But the best is, of course, win-win. Whenever we negotiate, we should ensure that both the party we should win. Guys,
So may I ask something?
Yeah, please.
Sir, what is my understanding regarding negotiation is like if I would try to convey you, if I have if I got success in that, then I win. But if I didn't able to convey you, then you will win. So like how we both can win? This thing is not.
See, first of all, whenever we negotiate, please listen, everyone. We are talking and something very outstanding. I'm giving you example of a small example. Suppose you go to market and you want to buy a small cup. You want to buy a small cup. That shopkeeper is telling this cup is priced at 40 rupees. You tell that shopkeeper that I'll not give you more than 20 rupees. Then that shopkeeper will say, no, Didi, no, bhaiya, we cannot go so down. Okay, let it be 35. No, I'll not give you more than 20 rupees. Please, ऐसा क्यों कर रही हैं? This is a world. The quality is really good. Please make it. Please, last I can go up to 30. No, I will not do it below for more than, I cannot give more than 20 rupees. Maybe you have thought of that this is 20 rupees and you will not go beyond 20 rupees. Fine. But while you are negotiating, are you thinking about that person? Are you thinking about that person? I know you are thinking about you that I should get it by, only in 20 rupees. But my question is, when you negotiate, do you think about the other person? Now you will tell, sir, if I listen, then I have to give more than 20. So I'm not telling how much you will give, but do you, have you ever thought कि भाई कहीं 20 बोलने से, if I say 20, will that person make a loss? Do we think about that person's loss and gain? Chances are very low. Whenever we do the negotiation, we always think about our gain. We never think about भाई उसको क्या मिल रहा है, he gets, he doesn't get the gain, he gets the gain, उससे मुझे क्या लेना देना. We always feel that I should get the price, I should get this thing in this price. We never think about the other person, and there we have to work out. I'm not telling you give more than 20. I'm not telling that, but I'm telling that think about that person. That person is not going to tell you the exact figure that whether that person is making loss or gain, but you should definitely consider that person up to some level. So when you also feel okay, okay, dear, then I can give you 25 rupees. I can't give you more than that. Then that person says, okay, dear, no problem. You should feel that if I'm taking something, I am happy, but that person should not be sad. That person should not make loss. Sometimes some people, they give in the same price they purchase it. They should not make loss. Now you will feel, sir, why should we think about his loss and gain? That's called negotiation. When you negotiate, you should always feel that I am okay, you are okay. This is an intention of a person that I will not do anything which will make a loss for that person. You should always think about that.
So can I
When
share some examples?
Yeah, please, Rupesh.
When I was in corporate service, at that time, I was in a managerial role. So most of the employee within my domain, sometimes they ask for a leave and it's like some urgency for them. And at that time, the negotiation still works like if it is not very urgent or important, then I can ask him to join late or come early or work from home. That should be a negotiation skill, so that the department work did not hamper and the person will also continue.
Wonderful example, Rupesh. Rupesh is telling that somebody is asking for leave. So you both should talk and come to a point where, he also feels satisfied and you also feel, okay, I have given leave, but my job is also done. So this negotiation skill is a wonderful thing and is an outstanding quality. And, here your excellent communication is very much required. You should have an awesome communication when you negotiate. You know why I'm telling you this is very important? It has been seen so many times, people who speak less, people who speak very less, they make losses. And sometimes it has also been seen people who speak more than required, they also make the loss. It's not about extrovert will win or introvert will win. If you are obnoxious, you speak beyond, what is expected, you will make the loss. People will not trust you. People will say, talking, I think dealing with this guy is not going to make any quality transaction for me. So then, and if you don't talk, then also there is a problem. So if you are a working person, if your work is dealing with clients, dealing with employee, dealing with big teachers and all, you should know how to negotiate. Don't talk much, don't talk less, but you should know what to speak, what not to speak. There are some stages. Okay, there are some stages of negotiation. I'm not going into deep. Okay, I'm not going into so deep. I'm just giving you what is important for negotiation. The first stage of negotiation is explore yourself. Explore the early stage where you share information with others and learn more about them and what they want. Exploration may also be relatively unstructured affair where the two parties get to know one another and discover that each has something that the other wants. The first stage is explore, where you and that person you meet and you try to talk, you try to know about each other. Today we will play a small game. Please listen, this is very important. Today you will play a small game. I'll give you one, I'll allot you a game. In that game, I really want that I'll give you a situation and I want that you should try to talk to each other and try to get what the other person wants. But you have to ensure at the end of the game that the both parties should win, not the one party wins. You have to ensure that after you negotiate, you all should win, not one should win. So I will create some challenge for you. I will create some challenge that you will feel some problem in negotiating, but that's the challenge, how you negotiate, because we are not going to learn, we are going to face that situation where you will negotiate. Okay, and that's very important. Practical knowledge will give you more opportunity to explore yourself. So guys, the first stage of negotiation, when I will make you sit with each other, you will try to know. For knowing, you have to be a good listener. It has been seen, people who are not a good listener, they fail the negotiation. This is very important that you be a good listener. So when you want to be a good, you want to have a wonderful deal and you want to win and you want the other party also to win, you should be a very good listener. Always remember, otherwise you will miss the deal, or there will be no any win-win situation. So first is explore, try to know each other, try to know what the other person wants, and try to express also what you have to offer to that person. First is explore. The second stage is bidding. Bidding. When the parties have enough information, then the negotiations start with someone offering an exchange. Now you will talk about the exchange part. How much I want, how much you want. Now the bidding will start. The essence of a bid is that it is an offer that may be accepted or rejected or trigger a counter offer. If the initial bid is accepted, then the deal is swiftly concluded. Otherwise, there may be significant bargaining activity. So guys, bargaining will happen later. First, explore. The next step is bidding. Bidding, where you are exchanging the amount, the conditions. After exchanging the condition, if you are ready, suppose if I'm ready, okay, whatever you say, I accept it, then bargaining will not happen. Then it will be settled. But normally it has been seen whenever any negotiation happens, normally people, they don't agree so easily. People, they come to a negotiation, and after, so for negotiation, the next step, which is very important, that is bargaining. The bargaining. Okay, so this is called bargaining. The heart of many negotiation is in bargaining, the adjustment of what is being traded until both parties are satisfied with the arrangements. An important part of bargaining is trading, where parties effectively say, if you give me that, then I'll give you this. So the first is explore, bidding, and bargaining. Why I'm telling you all these steps? because I want that when I will give you the opportunity to talk to the other partner, you should have these thoughts, these ideas ready in your brain, you know. You will try to explore each other, you will try to bid, then you will try to come to a bargain. And last is the settle point. When the deal is broadly agreed, it is formalized in a way that makes it difficult for either party to back out or change their commitment. So now you cannot go back to bargaining. Now the settling is happening. Now you will settle it. The first step of settling is to agree what you have agreed. Now you will agree to what you have agreed. It is surprising how often people do not agree on this as they reflect on the details, and returning to bargaining may be necessary. Sometimes it has been said, you know, when people they do not settle it, sometimes they go back to the bargaining stage again. So the stages of negotiation are explore, bidding, bargain, and then settle. Okay, now it is very important to know that communication skill is very important when you negotiate. See, why we are talking about negotiation, normally these are taught in MBA colleges, even in the corporate also. We are talking about negotiation because many times we negotiate with our client, we negotiate with our friends on any small matter or a big matter. In that negotiation, communication skill and your personality matters. Okay, so we will see what should be your personality when when you do the negotiation. There are some important points because personality matters. So guys, the role of personality in negotiation, a charming personality is the key to an effective negotiation. The more charming, the more presentable personality you have, the more effectively you can negotiate. It's very important that you should work on your personality. You should be very charming, well presentable. You should not be so rude. If you're rude and don't accept it, people will not like to negotiate with you. It's very important that you should have that charming personality. During negotiations, an individual must try to be himself or herself. One should not fake things or pretend to be good. So don't try to be good or fake. Try to be what you are. Don't change your personality. Try to be what you are. This is very important, guys. These are small points I just want to cover. Sincerity is one of the most important personality traits required in negotiation. One has to be sincere for an effective negotiation. Don't take things casually. Go well prepared for your negotiation. So well preparation, seriousness, these are very important when you negotiate. You should be well prepared. Guys, today, right now, we are talking about negotiation here. It doesn't mean that you don't know. I know that you know about negotiation, but we are talking, we are trying to again, recollect all the memories where we have negotiated, or we are right now thinking, how much it is important and how can we negotiate in future. And that's the reason we are coming to negotiation, because this is an outstanding quality and we should pay, we should concentrate on it. So personality matters when you negotiate. Our dressing, the way you dress, our dressing plays an important role in enhancing our personality. A shabbily dressed person will find it very difficult to convince the other person. Right? So dressing sense are important. Although we are at home right now, but that doesn't, mean that we can wear anything and we can sit. If you want to convince anyone, if you are negotiating, your dress matters because that's the part of your personality. Your dressing sense equally matters. Yes, you have to be patient. It has been observed that impatient individuals are poor negotiators. Those who are not, those who have not patience, no patience, they fail to negotiate. Patience, very important. Be professional in your approach. Once your deal is closed, do sign a contract in presence of both the parties. So this is something very difficult, different we are talking about, that in professional field, our approach should be very much professional. Enhancing your listening skills for a better negotiation. Listen to the other party as well. Listening is very important when you negotiate. Guys, after some time when I will give you a partner and you will talk, try to listen your partner because listening is very important to negotiate well. And yes, be a little tactful and diplomatic. Being diplomatic does not mean being clever. Sometimes we should know what to speak to the other person, what not to speak. So you have to, manage it tactfully. So guys, what can happen really when you do negotiation? Either both the party they win, or one win, one lose, or win, only win, or lose, lose win, or there could be but na. So whenever any negotiation happens, either both the party they win, either I win, you lose, or maybe I win, nobody lose. Maybe lose, आप भी हारे, मैं भी हारा. ना आपको बेचना है, ना मुझे लेना है. और lose win, मैं हार गया, आप जीत गए. Or there could be a batna. Can anybody tell me what is batna? Anyone?
Exchange, sir.
Exchange. See, it is negotiation. The exchange will definitely happen.
No lose, no win.
No lose, no win. Not really. Not really.
So something, a new situation formed where both did not expect. Like you want to negotiate and do something, the result
But
was
this is an
something
alternative
beneficial.
win-win. But it is an
Yeah.
alternative win-win. It's not
so-
direct win-win, but it will come to a win-win.
Yeah, we would come in some 50-50 sort of situation, like when you were giving example of that cup. So it might be I would come to 30 and from 20 to 30, and you would come to 35 to 30. So I think that
Okay.
could be.
Okay, let's
Win-win.
play. Yeah, Jagruti.
Win with mutual understanding.
Mutual understanding. Okay. Let's
There is
play
a
a
common
small
ground.
game. Yeah, let's play a small game. Okay. But while playing this game, I really want that people should, keep their video on, because without switching on your video, it will not be able to, you will not be able to play that game well. So first of all, in this game, I want, there are how many people? Let's count. Rupesh, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have got 16. So we can have 5 groups. We can have 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah?
Sir, 8 groups.
No, because
Oh.
I need, first of all, I need 3
Okay.
people in a group.
Okay.
3 people in a group. One group will have 3 people. Okay. So I need to segregate. I have to give, what should I say? Alphabetical orders to everyone.
Tag.
Like
Yeah.
A, B, C. Okay. So I'm telling who is A, who is B, who is C. So you try to write it down. because that is important. Okay, so Rupesh will be A, Vibha will be B, Alka will be C, Shona Gupta will be A, Sangeeta will be B, Silky will be C, Jaideep will be A, Prakashni will be B, Ritu will be C, Neeraj will be A, Jagruti will be B, and Bashir will be C. Okay. Manogya will be A, Prashanti will be B, and Vandana will be C. Okay. Nisha, I'll give you the number after some time. Just wait and just participate. I'll give you the option because I need three people. So I will make you, I'll give you some other responsibility. I'll give you that. Okay.
Vibha is also left out.
No, I've given Vibha B.
You counted 16.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 we are here. But
Okay.
I need 15. I need 15.
So
Three
for
in
two
one
people,
group.
we could make them observer and minute
Yeah,
takers.
that's what I'll make them observer. So that's the reason I've kept Nisha as an observer right now. Now, first of all, I have to talk to each and every member. So what I want, I will give you an option to go to a different room where I will go and talk to you. Okay, so I'm making a different group right now, and I want only A should go. Only A should go. Okay. Okay, let's make 3 groups. I'm making 3 groups. Okay. I'm making 3 groups. Room 1 is A.
Jaideep, you
Room,
have to go.
now the problem, you know, Rupesh and Vibha will face because
You
they are
separate them,
only,
sir, for once.
So
yeah.
you can count them as a one. Yeah.
Okay, then we can do one thing. Rupesh and Vibha, I'm counting you as A.
Okay, sir.
Okay, A. And Nisha will be B then.
So there is
Nisha
an
will be B.
alternative too, sir. Can I join with another device?
It's okay. Again, there will be, so
You
now
have-
right now you can both play together. No problem.
Okay, sir.
No,
Okay.
no problem. Not an issue. So I'm creating 3 rooms, A, B, C. And I believe you all know who is A, who is B, who is C.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I just want to know who are A's. Can you tell me the name?
Just
In our team, Jaideep.
Mano.
One
Rupesh.
by one. Manogya A.
Yes, sir.
I
Okay,
can
so
call all the names.
Manogya A and Rupesh, you are A.
Yes, Rupesh, Vibha, A.
Yes.
Myself,
Me,
Jaideep,
A.
Shona Gupta.
Jaideep,
No, I'm asking for A only. I'm asking
Jaideep,
for A.
Jaideep.
Jaideep A.
Yes.
Okay, Jaideep. Where is Jaideep? Okay, Jaideep A. Manogya, Rupesh, Jaideep. Is there any A?
Yes.
Neeraj.
Me,
Mano, yes,
Shona.
sir.
Sir, Neeraj,
Manogya I have counted.
Neeraj and Sona.
Neeraj, you are A. Okay, Neeraj is A and Shona. Shona is A. Fine. Who are B?
Myself, Prakashini, B.
Sangeeta. Akruti Chothani.
I'm not getting Prakashni. Okay, Prakashni.
Jagruti.
B.
Prakashni, Jagruti.
Sangeeta.
Sangeeta. Okay.
Prashanti.
Prashanti. Only 4 Bs. There should be 5.
I was also.
Yeah, Nisha is
Nisha
there.
also B, sir.
Yeah, Nisha is there. Okay, fine. So I think now we have got Alka, Bashir, Ritu, Silky, and Vandana. They are C.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll talk to everyone. And first of all, I'm sending you to different groups. Now I'll talk, after that I'll talk to you. I'll give some situation to you. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, so first you go to your breakout rooms. I'm going and I'll be talking to everyone. Yalka, you have not joined? A. Yeah.